Hey there, Numatic Driver 11 here. So I got my NRV and my hetty there because I swapped the switches. So yeah, these switches has been swapped. So this is the model rating, as you can see, like I usually saw in previous videos here. And then the NRV. So, yep, I'm gonna turn them on, do a brief suction test, see how they perform with the new switches then. So yep, I'm gonna start off with the hetty. So yep. Now we're gonna do the NRV. So yep, it's now off at low. Wait. So yeah, sadly it's like a short video then. So yep. So I hope you guys like the video then. Wait, let me get from the Elvis. It's also, yep. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment what you think of the swap, and I'll see you later.